Uh, let's now talk about the properties of a circle. The property number 1 says the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference if the two angles are coming from the same chord. Let's try to demonstrate the first property. So we have a circle. If this is the center of the circle and we have an angle at the center, then we also have another angle at the circumference, of which those two angles are coming from the same what? The same chord. Okay? So this is angle A, this is angle B. So what this property is trying to say is that this angle A, which is at the center, is 2 times the angle B, which is at the circumference. So our angle A is equal to 2B. So meaning that if we have angle B to be, say, 20, okay, let's say this is 25 degrees. So our A will be just 2 times B, which is 25 degrees. 2 times 25 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. As simple as that. So that's the first property. Let me give you another example. Suppose we have a circle here, and then we have angles, 2 angles coming from the same chord. Let's say I have 96 degrees here. Find angle Y. Since we said the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference, okay, let's say this is angle X. So we are saying angle X is equal to 2 angle Y. So now we want to find angle Y having X to be 96. So wherever there is X, we put 96 here is equal to 2 times Y. Y is equal to 48 degrees. As simple as that. Property number 2, real quick, we're running out of time. Property number 2, which is just basically an extension of property number 1. So property number 2 says, okay, property number 2 says, okay, let me write it here real quick. The angle at the circumference coming from the diameter is equal to angle at the circumference. It is coming from the diameter. Okay, so this angle is equal to 90 degrees. So, for example, if they give us, okay, if we have, let's say, here 40 degrees, there X, we want to find X. Notice that this is a diameter. We want to find x. We will use this property to find x and say, since we already know that all these angles in a triangle are supposed to add up to 180 degrees, therefore we'll add everything here. We'll have our x plus 40 degrees plus 90 degrees there. Even if they haven't put 90, provided that you have a diameter passing through the center, that diameter is producing an angle at the circumference. Just know that that angle is equal to 90 degrees. So the three angles should give us 180 degrees. Okay, so if we add these angles, we have x plus 40 plus 90, that is 130 degrees, is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, this 130, it goes to the other side. We remain with x is equal to what we have found is 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Therefore, our x is 50 degrees. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.